Hello everyone. My name is Gajanan, and in today's world of the most trending thing is money. But you can't just save your money by keeping the money into bank account. You need to invest that money. Just by keeping the money into your bank account, you can't be rich. So make sure you just invest that money into right assets. And while you are in your 40s, you enjoy your retirement. That is our goal. So that was the reason behind why we started this organization. So it's more about investing rather than making saving the money into your saving account and just enjoy your FD. Rather, you can invest that money into right assets and earn triple or even more multi-bagger returns than the money you are keeping into your savings bank account. And the bank in which you are keeping your money, the bank is rather investing the money, right? From where they are giving you 6% return. The banks are investing that money into various assets, just like government bonds or into some stocks or some other kinds of assets, right? So from that way, I think you can be rich just by keeping your money into bank account. Something FD will never make you rich. And make sure you retire and early and enjoy your retirement, right? Just earning money is not all right. Just save some amount of money which you think in your mind, the amount that, hey, this amount is sufficient for me to retire and enjoy my retirement. And just retirement doesn't mean that you just need to sleep and just don't do anything. No, retirement, which means that's something you like to do and you want to do, and by doing that you will earn some great returns. So that's it for today, and that was the goal for starting this company, that making people aware that why you need to invest. And the FD rates of India are still 6%, and while the FD rates of US is less than 1% right now, as per my understanding. So the opportunity in a developing country is much more better than what is a developed country is offering, right? In a developed country there are not many there are already many things are, but in India there are many things to come, just like from construction of the road to a good we need to develop our cities, right? Not just the cities, but the villages are not that developed, they are underdeveloped, right? And there are few villages till there is no electricity being provided. So there is more ample of opportunity in India to invest your money into right assets. So make sure you invest now. So that was our primary goal. Really thank each one of you, and soon we will be sharing a great analysis video on the various platforms, just like analysis video of any stocks. Will be very specific of the stock, and a key objective of it is not to just make a video, but to make a video in such a way that every layman understand the approach, right? Just making a video is not, I don't find any convenient for that, but making a video in such a way that everyone, just like a common person, even your 10-year or 12-year kids can understand that video. That is the level of information I'm going to provide you. Just make sure you stay connected. Thank you.